Do you all have a problem where when you try to delete your Epic Games launcher, this message keeps appearing and you aren't able to delete it? If yes, then this video is for you, since in this video, I will gonna show you how you can fix it quickly and easily. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So for the first step, I want you to right-click on your Windows taskbar. And then select Task Manager. And once you're on Task Manager, you will now be able to see all the software that's running in your PC's background. So the reason why that message keeps appearing when you try to delete your Epic Games launcher is actually because it is one of the apps that is running in your background, and that's why you can't delete it. So to fix it, you just need to disable the Epic Games launcher from running in the background. So to do that, just right-click your Epic Games launcher. And then just click End Task. And then after that, your Epic Games launcher will now stop running in the background. So now that it's not running in the background anymore, you can now go back to delete your Epic Games launcher. And then after that, your deleting process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully deleted your Epic Games launcher. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.